But Amnod Bali is joining me back again from LNJP, where the Home Minister is. Anmol, what are the latest updates you have from the hospital?
Rajdeep, currently the Home Minister of India, Amit Shah, is inside with the Delhi Police Commissioner and Delhi Health Minister, Pankaj Singh. He's talking with the people, those who are injured in this blast, and even he will be talking with the people, relatives of the people, those who have lost their life. But currently he's in one of the ward of the hospital. He's talking with the people, those who are injured, because many people have got serious injuries in this blast. I'll show you behind me in the visuals. You can see that security situation has been beefed here, both inside and outside the hospital, where you can see the Delhi police personnel as well as NSG and paramilitary personnel are deployed here for the security of the Home Minister. But yeah, he's inside. He's talking with the injured. He's talking with the people, those who have lost their life, with the relatives of people, those who have lost their life in this blast. Because inside the emergency ward, I was inside. I have seen the visuals that people from the various corners of the national capital are coming to the hospital for inquiring about their relatives, those who were at the Lal Killa. And even doctors have been called up, those who were on the leave, and the nurses and the other paramedic and the medical staff, those who were on the leaves, they are called up for the emergency services here at the hospital. And even more ambulances have been called by the hospital administration, and they are on the hold that if some more emergency kind of situation arises, to send the more ambulances towards the site. But yeah, currently Home Minister Amit Shah is inside. He's talking with the people, those who are injured. One of the news agency was called inside, and soon we will be seeing that Home Minister Amit Shah will be talking with the media, will be talking with one of the news agency, and will be sharing more on this blast. Rajdeep.